Hi, I'm Kath from BeeBee Leaf and I'm here to tell you all about our bread wrap. Now, from its name, you would know that it's for bread, but also it does lots of other things as well. So you can wrap bread and it does that really well, and you use the heat of your hands to shape it around the bread and it holds firm, keeps the bread fresh. But also you can use these very large wraps. This is 45 centimetres by 55 centimetres to go around tray bakes that have cooled down, or perhaps you'd just like to wrap a giant picnic all in one wrap. That works really well too. One of the really interesting things that I would like to show you today is how to make a salad bag. So because BeeBee Leaf wraps stick themselves, you can use the heat of your hands to fold down the edges of the wrap like this, and it makes a bag. And this is where I store all of the green leafy salad that is very good at turning green and sludgy if you keep it in plastic. So just pop all the spinach in there and it will last days and days longer. And I usually keep this in the fridge door, but you can also lay it on the shelf as well. That's how you keep that fresh. Thanks for watching.